Hey everybody, Caitlyn Alexander here with Howard Hanna Premier Properties. We are right in the middle of home buying season here. I always advise my buyer clients that it's a good idea to get a couple different opinions on banks and bank products. So over these next couple of days, I'm going to travel around town and chat with a couple of loan officers that I work with frequently. So stay tuned for some good info. Hey guys, I'm here with Jane Haines of Clear Mountain Bank, and Jane has worked up some kind of real life scenarios to tell us why now is a good time to buy. So Jane, go ahead with your expertise.
I will. Basically, everyone knows that we're in a rising rate environment right now. And we know that the higher the rate, the higher the mortgage payment. But I think what we don't know is how much a small rate increase can actually affect the buying power.
Right.
So, for example, if someone would qualify for an $1,800 a month mortgage payment at a 4.5% interest rate with 20% down, they would qualify for a $445,000 mortgage.
Wow.
With just a 1% increase in that rate, so taking the rate to 5.5%, it would decrease what they qualified for to $395,000.
Wow.
So
that's a big difference.
That's a $50,000 decrease in buying power. The other thing that people might not be aware of is it's a higher cost to the borrower. So if you're looking at that same increase from a 4.5% to 5.5%, if someone borrowed $200,000 over 30 years, they'd be paying back over $44,000 more over the life of the loan.
Wow, just with a 1% increase. Yeah, that's a big difference. Definitely. Cool. Well, thank you. I appreciate you giving us your advice. And hurry up and go out and find a house and buy it before rates go up.
Times now.
Yeah. All right, now I'm here with Darlene Nelson of PNC Mortgage, where they have a variety of products that they offer, but today they're going to talk about the VA loan program because they have a cool program. So tell us more about the VA program.
Thanks, Caitlyn. So with our VA servicing loan, it's one of the few loans today that you can actually get with no down payment. So one of the things that I find so unique with PNC is we are one of the few banks around that still have direct servicing for their VA loans. In-house underwriting, we retain the loan even after it closes, so clients don't have to worry about their loan being sold on the market and making payments to somebody else. So it's something that I find really unique with what we have to offer.
Yeah, that's nice.
It is. We also offer no down payment with no minimum credit score. So it does not mean that you can currently be in financial distress, in collections or foreclosure or delinquency with current accounts. But if you have not had any delinquency within the last 12 months, we will look at it even regardless of what your credit score is.
Oh, that's great.
So, absolutely. So we're a huge supporter of our veterans. We want to make sure that even though things have maybe been challenging in the past, we can still get you in housing. So
Cool.
Absolutely.
Awesome.
VA offers 15 or 30-year fixed rates, and it's one of the lowest rates out on the market compared to some of the other loan programs. So, if you're a veteran, whether you're looking to purchase or even refinance, you can get up to 100% financing at one of the lowest market rates with no PMI.
Yeah, that's great. Awesome program. Cool. Well, thank you, Darlene. I appreciate you chatting
You're
with
welcome.
us.
Thank you.
And if you guys have any VA loan needs, definitely check her out. Thanks. I am with Kim Barnum of MVB, and they're doing a big blitz with first-time home buyers, lots of different education and cool programs. So Kim, tell us a little bit about your first-time home buyer programs.
Yes, we specialize in first-time home buyers. So we are having around the state some first-time home buyer after hours where we can talk about all of the programs that are out there. There's a lot of first-time home buyer programs that require no money down. There are grant programs out there that you may not know about that can help you, and also closing cost money. So we're talking about those, and if you take a look at my Facebook every Friday, you'll see first-time home buyer tips so that you can understand the process better.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks, Kim.
You're welcome.
Hey again. Now we are with Toni Tampoya of City National Bank. Toni has some really cool products. One's very unique called the Champion Mortgage,
Correct.
Champion Loan.
Yes.
Toni, why don't you tell them a little bit more about it?
So the Champion Mortgage is a very unique mortgage. We have tailored it specifically to meet the customer's needs. So it is a no money down, no PMI. Closing costs are very, very low.
Super
and
low.
yeah, you
Like
don't,
how low, Toni?
$1,395
Right,
for
which is
appraisal,
like-
title, and attorney fees.
Unheard of.
Unheard of. And it is not specific to an area. You don't have to be in a specific area. You don't have to make a specific income. It is score driven. 680 is the minimum credit score, and it's easy, it's unique, it's in-house, and we can typically close in about 30 days.
Yeah, really quick.
Yeah.
So I work with Toni a lot as well, and it's a very cool program. So
Yep.
thanks, Toni.
So let Caitlyn find you the home of your dreams, and I can help you finance it with the best mortgage product on the market.
Cool. Thank you. All right. Well, now I'm here with Johnathan O'Neill with Premier Mortgage. So Johnathan's kind of got a cool setup that he's a mortgage broker, so he can shop different banks and kind of put buyers in the right boxes of, you know, kind of whatever matches their financial picture. So Johnathan, why don't you tell me a little about something, one of your products, one of your cool products?
Probably one of our cool products that we've been focused on lately is our reduced mortgage insurance products and programs that we have. We have some absolutely fantastic lenders that will reduce do reduced mortgage insurance rates.
So tell people what mortgage insurance is.
So if you do not put 20% down on your loan, you will have some form of mortgage insurance. It's an extra monthly payment that you will make for not having 20% down. But there are other forms of mortgage insurance where you might be able to remove that monthly payment with some other options that we actually specialize in. It'd be a lot to get into in this video, but there's other options out there.
Where you can avoid that
Yes,
extra
where you
monthly
can avoid
payment,
that extra monthly
even if
payment.
people don't have 20% down.
Absolutely, yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. Are there any? Is it like credit score specific, or
It is credit score specific.
so if you have a good score but you don't have a lot down, you could potentially get them in a product that doesn't have mortgage insurance.
That's a great way to put it.
Cool.
Yes.
All right. Awesome. Thanks, Johnathan.
All right, thank you.